Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Wednesday the 31st of May. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we're looking at the charts on the Nikkei 225. What we'll see is that it's presently consolidating, but unfortunately it's losing a bit of its mojo. If it doesn't start to perform to the upside, the charts will deteriorate and further downside can be expected. So let's have a look at the charts and we'll explain more. So on the daily, you can see that we had the big push up through, which was in early April and into the start of May. We've since consolidated. The 20-day moving average did give support, but we've just fallen through it this week, and it's starting to roll down. The 50-day is still moving upwards, so the medium-term trend is still okay, and obviously the 200-day is quite a way below, but still looks positive. RSI has lost its upside momentum, still above 50, 52.51. However, it is in a downtrend, and likewise the MACD now indicating a bit of negative momentum, short-term below the longer term. So on this chart, really you can see it side tracking between the 20 and the 50. The 20 will roll down over the next 5 to 10 days, but the 50 will give support on further consolidation. On the weekly, you can see that we're up to a band of resistance from last November and then from last July. And that just seems to be holding the market at the moment. All the moving averages are still moving upwards, which is positive, and so the trend still does remain upwards, but we are finding difficulty getting through this resistance. The RSI still well above 50, 59.67, although the MACD are tracking downwards. Here the support would come in from the 20-week moving average, which is presently at 19,300. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that the consolidation looks very much like a flag. We've got the 24-hour moving average right on the index level in a downward fashion. The 54-hour average is just above. That's still moving up, but obviously as we're below that level, will roll over. The RSI is below 50 and in a downtrend. Likewise, the MACD is indicative of negative momentum. Here you can see the support levels at about 19,400. The chart does need to, if it's going to move up, does need to break back above the 50-day and then break this resistance at 19.8. And in fact, on all the charts, an upward move would be seen as positive. And I mean, on the daily, if you can break back above 20,000, that would be good. But at the moment, as I said at the intro, just losing its mojo, losing its momentum, it does starting to look like we are going to start seeing the supports tested rather than the upside. On the support resistance levels, the 20-day is the first resistance, 19,770.78, and then second resistance 19,870, with support 19,303, and then 19,300, and that's from the 50-day moving average. Thanks for watching this video on the Nikkei. I'm sorry, it's one of those videos where if it consolidates further or moves down, it looks bad, but if it goes up, it looks good. I hate doing those kind of videos. I prefer videos where there's more clarity, but that's just the way the charts are looking at the moment on the Nikkei. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please hit that button and subscribe. You'll then get emails every time I put new videos onto YouTube. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinion, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.